Introduction. Today, we're diving into a topic that often flies under the radar, but is crucial for your digestive health: the impact of Maida on your intestines. Maida, or refined flour, is a common ingredient in many of our favorite foods, from pastries to pasta. However, its effects on our digestive system can be quite significant. In this video, we'll explore how Maida can disrupt your gut health, leading to issues like bloating, constipation, and even more serious conditions over time. Understanding the role of nutrition in our daily lives is essential for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. And knowing how certain foods affect our bodies is a key part of that. So, whether you're a foodie or just someone looking to improve your diet, stick around as we unpack the hidden truths about Maida and its impact on your intestines. Let's get started on this journey to better health together. What is Maida? Maida is a type of refined flour that originates from wheat, specifically made by milling the endosperm of the grain. This process removes the bran and germ, resulting in a fine, white flour that is commonly used in many culinary applications. You'll find Maida in a variety of foods, from soft breads and pastries to noodles and pizza bases. Its smooth texture and ability to create a light, airy consistency make it a favorite among bakers and chefs alike. However, while Maida is prevalent in various cuisines, especially in Indian and Middle Eastern dishes, it's important to note its nutritional profile. Maida is low in essential nutrients and lacks dietary fiber, which can lead to digestive issues and contribute to unhealthy eating habits. As we explore the uses of Maida in our favorite foods, it's crucial to understand its impact on our health and consider healthier alternatives that can provide more nutritional benefits. Effects of Maida on digestion. To understand how Maida impacts the digestive system, let's first look at the digestion process itself. When we consume food, it travels through our digestive tract, where it's broken down into nutrients that our body can absorb. Maida, being a refined flour, is quickly digested and can lead to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. However, this quick digestion can also result in some unwanted side effects. Many people experience bloating and constipation after consuming foods made with Maida. This is largely due to its lack of dietary fiber, which is essential for healthy digestion. Fiber helps to regulate bowel movements and keeps our gut healthy by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria. Since Maida is stripped of its natural fiber during processing, it can disrupt this balance, leading to discomfort and digestive issues. Understanding these effects is crucial for making informed dietary choices that support overall digestive health. Maida and gut health. The relationship between Maida consumption and gut health is an important one to explore. Maida can negatively impact the gut microbiota, which consists of trillions of bacteria that play a crucial role in our digestive health. A diet high in refined carbohydrates, like those found in Maida, can lead to an imbalance in these beneficial bacteria, promoting the growth of harmful strains instead. This imbalance can result in various digestive issues and inflammation. Poor gut health has far-reaching implications for overall wellness, affecting everything from immune function to mental health. When our gut microbiota is compromised, it can lead to symptoms like fatigue, mood swings, and even chronic diseases. Fortunately, there are healthier alternatives to Maida that can promote gut health. Whole grain flours, such as whole wheat or oat flour, are rich in fiber and nutrients, supporting a balanced gut microbiome. Incorporating these alternatives into your diet can help maintain digestive health and enhance your overall well-being. Healthy alternatives to Maida. If you're looking to make healthier choices in your cooking and baking, there are several fantastic substitutes for Maida that you can try. Whole wheat flour is a popular alternative that retains the bran and germ of the wheat, providing more fiber and essential nutrients. This flour not only adds a nutty flavor but also contributes to better digestion. Another great option is almond flour, which is made from finely ground almonds. It's gluten-free and packed with healthy fats, protein, and vitamin E, making it a nutritious choice for those looking to reduce their carbohydrate intake. Oats are also an excellent substitute. You can easily grind rolled oats into oat flour for baking. Oats are rich in fiber and can help improve heart health and digestion. We encourage you to experiment with these alternatives in your favorite recipes. Whether you're making bread, pancakes, or cookies, these healthier substitutes can enhance the nutritional profile of your meals while still delivering delicious results. Happy cooking! Conclusion: in today's video, we explored the significant impact of Maida on our intestines and overall gut health. We discussed how this refined flour can lead to digestive issues such as bloating and constipation, primarily due to its lack of dietary fiber. The imbalance it creates in our gut microbiota can have far-reaching effects on our overall wellness, making it essential to be mindful of our dietary choices. As we wrap up, we encourage you to consider healthier alternatives to Maida, such as whole wheat flour, almond flour, and oats. These substitutes not only enhance the nutritional value of your meals, but also support better digestive health. If you found this information helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who might benefit from these health tips. Together, we can make informed choices for a healthier lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.